Hello everyone, welcome to day 37 of the 60 days challenge. So today I'm going to share a little bit more about wrist exercise, what you can do to strengthen back your wrist, and in a very simple way. So previously I have shared more to advanced one, so today I'm going to share more to beginner one. So how are we going to do it? Let's check it out. Oh, before that, be sure to hit the subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you will not miss out on all these good things I'm about to share. So without further ado, let's check it out. Okay, so today it's very simple, very short tip. So for forearm, first you need to do of course the warm up first. So you just twist roughly around 4 times, and also this one straight and down. Okay, all these things, make sure you all hand your hands straight and you pull. Make sure you feel the stretch. Okay, so that will be the warm up. So the next thing is that just take something like this. You don't know what is this there. It's what we call the spring. What you can do is you can train back your forearm strength. Okay, so here when you grip already, see this one hand full already, press fully in already, and then so now this one, some people maybe like for me I can do 10 kg, some people maybe cannot do 10 kg, then you do something lighter, something that you can press fully. Okay, you don't need to buy those like you cannot press at all, so you press fully already. What you do is your hand straight and then you bend up. Okay, now when you bend up, remember, do not bend up sideways like this or sideways like this or sideways like this. Make sure you bend proportionally up. Okay, up, bend. So sometimes when people do it wrongly, their hand will bend a bit. Try not to bend, make sure it's straight. That will be the most common mistake. So from the side view, it's something like this. Okay, here, go and up, up and up. Okay, some people may be twisting like this, some people twisting like that. No, just make sure straight, up, up, up. Okay, so if let's say you don't have this spring, you can get something like this paper. Okay, get a paper, same thing. Okay, grip, pull all into ball already. Now this thing is good because why? You can even practice the small muscles on your palm. So if let's say you were to use this, you are just practicing some of the muscles. But if you are using this, you're also closing all in. So if you have seen me before on my Instagram, so if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please be sure to follow. I did one what we call egg breaking. So the egg breaking is where you use a lot of fundamental strength, where when you fully no more gap already, and then what we use is that small little muscle there, and with just a very high concentration of internal strength, then you break the egg. So that will be the target for breaking egg. So a lot of people look at it, hey, why is it so hard? And then you just press like this. No, you have to make sure that there is no gap, and then we train the internal strength. Same goes for this. Normally, before we go for that, they would practice this one first. For my way of calculation, this is beginner, this intermediate, that one is advanced. So this one here, what you do is you just need to grip. Same thing, just grip fully. Okay, grip as hard as you can. Grip until you see my hand a bit shivering already. Grip already, and then after that, slowly the same thing, come out. So when you grip already, when you grip firm, here all tighten up already, you have to practice it to go up. Okay, so you go up. So from the side view, sorry, excuse me. This, hold, okay, and then harden up everything. See my here, harden up everything already, and then pull up as high as you can. Normally, I would advise them to go up higher. You see, there is some gap. So try to sometimes make sure that you pull. So maybe now you're seeing me doing on the air. So normally I would do on a table, but there is no table this height. So I just make sure that the table is like this. And then this one, imagine lying down on the table and then you just do. Okay, you put all on flat, and then this one you hold. Sometimes you can support it. Make sure you go up fully. Let's say example, there is a table. So what you can do is that when you go up fully already, guide your hand to go up a little bit more. Okay, So good. So now you need to do how many times? Maybe do 4 times per day, and do it for roughly around 10 seconds to 20 seconds. So this is very good strengthening for those who are doing a lot of push-ups, or maybe who are doing a lot of hand exercise. This can actually help them build up some foundation muscle here especially, and here, and some over here, so to avoid injury. So I hope it helped you all guys. So be sure to comment down below on what you want to see next, and also be sure to give a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you will not miss out on all these good things I will be sharing. So good, I'm Eddie the Bone Setter. See you guys soon. Bye bye.